Competitor research with AI. What do you actually know about your competitors? Not a guess, real information. What they charge, what customers complain about, what's working and what isn't. Most small business owners answer, not much. That's not laziness. Digging through websites and reviews used to take hours. AI cuts that work down dramatically. Here's exactly how. Get specific about who you're researching. My competitors is too vague. Are you worried about the business down the street? The top Google result? A national chain moving in? These need different research approaches. Find your real competitors. Search Google the way customers would, not how you describe your business. Look at the first 5 to 7 results. Those are your real competitors. Do the same on Yelp or Google Maps. Write down 4 or 5 names. Open ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, or Claude, claude.ai, and ask it to help you think through your competitive landscape. This builds your list, but verify it yourself. AI has knowledge cutoffs and isn't real-time on free plans. Analyze their positioning. Copy text from competitors' homepages, services pages, and about sections. Paste into ChatGPT or Claude and ask, what's their main message? Who are they reaching? What do they emphasize or leave out? Example, an accounting firm competitor mentions scalable financial solutions for growth stage companies. Paste this into Claude, and it might reveal they're targeting startups, not your market. Real information in 3 minutes. Mine customer reviews. Reviews are honest feedback, no marketing spin. Copy 20 to 40 recent reviews from Google or Yelp. Paste them into ChatGPT or Claude and ask what customers praise, complain about, and wish was different. Those gaps are your opportunities. Honest limitation. AI can miss nuance by focusing on loud voices. Always skim actual reviews yourself after getting the summary. Use Perplexity AI. Perplexity.ai, searches the web in real time and shows sources, perfect for current competitor information. Ask about recent price changes, announcements, what they're known for, and click through to verify. Bring it together. Dump your notes into ChatGPT or Claude. Ask, where are the gaps? What aren't competitors offering? What do customers want but aren't getting? How could you position yourself differently? After an hour with these tools, you'll have real answers. Not perfect. AI isn't magic, but you'll know more than most competitors know about you. That's a meaningful advantage for any small business.